Shasta County's new top health official no longer needs to be a licensed doctor. 13 months ago, county supervisors fired Karen Ramstrom, and they haven't been able to find a replacement.
Action News Now reporter Chloe Curtis shows us why county leaders dropped the previously essential requirement.
After more than 400 days without a public health officer, supervisors voted to drop certifications needed for the job in hopes of attracting more applicants. Supervisors voted 4-1 to lower the standards. District 3 Supervisor Mary Rickert being the only no vote.
I just felt that it was important that we stay at the same level that we were prior with Dr. Ramstrom, and I don't think that we should lower our standards just to fill the position.
Applicants will still need to be a medical school graduate and be eligible for a license to practice medicine and surgery in California, but are not required to have the license. District 2 Supervisor Tim Garman says the hope behind the change to attract more applicants. He believes the political climate in the county has played a role in the problem.
It's got to the point now where to find a qualified individual to want to work in this county is going to be nearly impossible. So what we did is we just lowered the standards to meet the state requirements.
Even on different ends of the vote, Supervisors Rickert and Garman both say filling the job is a priority as the county navigates current health crises.
Have a real problem with substance abuse in this county. Fentanyl is taking a real toll. It's killing a lot of our young people. That is something that we need to have someone in place that's really in tune to what's going on and to focus on those kinds of issues.
There's so many diseases that can come along. You got your sexual diseases, and you got hepatitis. You've got to have a health officer. You just need somebody in there who can help steer the ship when it starts to go crazy, and you need a health officer.
The job application will have to be reposted with updated qualifications, and some in the community hope a middle ground can be reached.
I think the person has to be qualified, want to come to work, plan on staying, and has a really impressive resume on why she would be a real positive aspect in employer-employee.
I did ask if the qualifications could change again in the future. Supervisor Garman tells me that would likely require the board to consider and vote on the change with the same process as it used this time. In writing, Chloe Curtis, Action News Now. Coverage you can count on.
Supervisors tell Action News Now it will likely be 2 to 3 months minimum between posting the application, receiving applications, and conducting interviews before an employment offer can be made.